Introduction. Welcome everyone to this exciting video about the revolutionary affiliate marketing platform, Master Affiliate Profits. We'll be exploring how this amazing program makes affiliate marketing accessible for total beginners by providing all the necessary tools, like free traffic, free training, and even free enrollment. In this video, you'll understand what exactly is affiliate marketing, and how beginners can leverage Master Affiliate Profits features to start earning their first online commissions. We'll also cover an exclusive bonus offer for joining through a special affiliate link. So whether you're an absolute newbie, looking to learn the basics, or you want to scale your earnings to new heights, stick around as we dive into this game-changing platform. Chapter 1. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is one of the most popular ways to make money online because you earn commissions by promoting someone else's products without needing to create your own. How affiliate marketing works. The concept behind affiliate marketing is simple. When someone purchases a product you have promoted, the company rewards you with a percentage of that sale for simply referring the business. This earned commission allows you to profit merely from sharing affiliate links of services or products you believe in. Here is an overview of the key steps in the affiliate marketing process. Become an affiliate by signing up for a company's affiliate program. Receive your unique tracking link. Promote that affiliate link through content like social media posts or email. Visitors who buy through your link trigger commissions on those sales. The company deposits your referral earnings directly into your account. Benefits for beginners. Affiliate marketing offers distinct benefits for those just starting out with making money online. Low barriers to entry. You can get started at no cost and without the need to create products. Be your own boss. Work according to your own schedule, right from home. Free and paid training available. Tons of training resources exist online, like Master Affiliate Profits. The simplicity and flexibility makes affiliate marketing ideal for beginners looking to understand online business. Chapter 2. Introducing Master Affiliate Profits. So how exactly does Master Affiliate Profits empower beginners to start affiliate marketing and earn fast? Let's find out what you get. As a member of Master Affiliate Profits, you gain instant access to pre-made funnels, free website traffic sources, in-depth training guides, and expert support to kickstart your success. Profit funnels and offers, high-converting landing page, and product promotions to share. Free targeted traffic. Built-in sources send visitors to your affiliate links. Video training modules. Comprehensive affiliate marketing crash course for beginners. Expert guidance. Seasoned mentors like John Thornhill and Omar and Melinda Martin provide ongoing coaching. You'll also join a vibrant community, and you'll be able to connect and network with fellow affiliate marketers like Dori O'Neill, Jay Sargent, Nick Kovac, Dr. David Nelson, and other well-known personalities. Benefits of this program. The all-in-one experience offered by Master Affiliate Profits vastly simplifies affiliate marketing. Done-for-you setup. Just focus on promotions without any technical hurdles. Free to join. No hidden fees or charges to become an affiliate. Earn while you learn. Start as a free member and upgrade to Master Affiliate Profits Silver, Gold, or Platinum levels. Proven results. Successful track record thanks to expert founders John Thornhill and Omar and Melinda Martin. Whether you're promoting digital offers or physical products, everything you need to succeed is housed under one roof. Chapter 3. Getting started with Master Affiliate Profits. The enrollment and onboarding process with Master Affiliate Profits is quick and seamless, thanks to their focus on beginner friendliness. Follow these headache-free steps. Step 1. Create your free account by going to yesenroll.com/map and enter your details. Confirm your email address to complete the sign-up process. By registering via Dori O'Neill's link, you will unlock a special bonus, a free YouTube viral funnel valued at more than $2,000. And voila, you've officially joined the MAP community. Step 2. Access the video training. Log into your account dashboard to browse the video learning portal. Select from different experience levels to find relevant training guides. Absorb at your own pace. If you face challenges or if you'd like a little extra help, join one of Dori O'Neill's live interactive online coaching sessions. These sessions are free. Step 3. Configure traffic and start earning. Set up free website traffic sources like native ads and email. Drive visitors to your affiliate links and offers. The Master Affiliate Profits backoffice features an advanced reporting module that provides you with important details about your sales and commissions earned. Success in affiliate marketing is now just 3 simple steps away thanks to Master Affiliate Profits. Chapter 4. Dori O'Neill's exclusive bonus. Now here comes some exciting news. By signing up for Master Affiliate Profits via Dori O'Neill's personal affiliate link, you qualify for a special bonus offer valued at over $2,000. A YouTube viral video funnel, a pre-built for you template, for generating massive amounts of laser-targeted organic traffic from YouTube. Here's what makes this bonus so powerful. The YouTube viral funnel requires no paid ads budget to gain exposure. It leverages YouTube's vast organic reach and it continues driving leads 24/7 through built-in automation. Whether you're promoting digital offers or physical products, this tool can take your profits to unprecedented levels. So don't miss out on unlocking Dori O'Neill's super affiliate bonus. Sign up today with Master Affiliate Profits via Enroll.com/map. Follow the simple steps and the bonus is yours. Conclusion. We've just explored why Master Affiliate Profits makes affiliate marketing so beginner-friendly with its free enrollment, free traffic sources, free training, and done-for-you setup. Combined with Dori O'Neill's exclusive YouTube viral video funnel bonus, MAP provides everything needed to start earning your first commissions online through affiliate marketing. The ability to leverage other people's products means not dealing with the hassles of customer support or inventory management that selling your own item would entail. So if making money with a laptop and internet connection sounds exciting, be sure to check out Master Affiliate Profits using the special link in the video description box below. I hope you found value in this beginner's crash course about the affiliate marketing platform called Master Affiliate Profits. Please subscribe and most important, please leave a comment and like this video. You automatically gain access to more content about boosting your online business and profits.